Okay, I have a Yale mortise cylinder lock that was sent to me by Johan in Sweden. I believe JJ.SPP'D sent it to him, and JJ.SPP'D pinned it. You know, Javid on YouTube. So we're going to use top of keyway on this, and we're going to use the this pick. We're going to start at the back. We're going to use very light tension. Alright, there's number 6. Okay, there's number 5, I believe. Okay, number 3. Number 2. Okay, number 4. Start the back, work away the front. Got number 6 again. Number 5. Number 3. Nothing there. Number 1. Let's go to the back again. Okay, number 6 feels like it's set. So does number 5. Number 1, okay, and it's open. Okay, let's see what kind of pins that Javid has put in this lock. You have to use very light tension on some of these locks, or you just killing yourself fighting them all the way. And this is one of them that has to have light tension. I sure don't want to lock it back again. I don't have a key. See, I think I'll shim this. I'm not going to take any chances on pins falling out all over the place. See if I can. Okay, that's good. Alright, let's check our bottom pins first. We have all 6 pins are in the plug. Number 1 is serrated. Number 2 is serrated. Number 3 is serrated. Number 4 is serrated. Number 5 is serrated. And number 6 is serrated. Okay, the plug looks like every one of those are oversized. There's threaded in 1, 2, and 5. So now let's see what kind of pins we have in the top. Okay, there is a long spool in number 1. Looks like a little small acid pen in number 2. Okay, there's a long pen and a wafer in number 3. The long acid pen. Oops. Like to lost that one. Okay. I don't know how that was in the plug. Maybe that way. I don't know. There's 2 pins in it. Let's check number 5 now. Okay. It has 2 pins in it also. Number 6. It's got 1 pin. And I don't know how they were in there. Okay, that's what we have in Javid's challenge lock. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer view of the pins. Okay, 1 and 2 is serrated key pins or some type of spool key pins. It's a long spool in the top, a small acid pen in the top on number 2, and there's a long acid pen and a short wafer in the top, and a spool type key pin in number 3. And in this one, I don't know what you call those pins, some type of serrated or spool pins, 2 of them, one on top of the other. I don't know which was which. And there's another little mushroom type key pin. Okay, and now on number 5, you've got some type of double spool here and a little wafer. Look like it's tapered. And then another mushroom key pin. And here it looks like you've got another type of whittled down top pin and a wafer. I don't know how they were in there. I guess they were like this. Okay, that's just a little wafer there. Okay, that's what we have in Javid's challenge lock. I appreciate your time. I thank you for watching my video. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. Please don't do that. And have a nice day, and thank you very much.